This is yummy. Look at it. Look. This is yummy. Look at it. Look. This is yummy. Look at it. Look. Hello guys. Hope we all are keeping safe, keeping well, keeping warm wherever we are. Thank you guys. Today I'm showing you what I'm doing today. I'm making fried yam and plantain. This is my plantain, ripe plantain dodo, aka alias dodo. You can call it dodo, you can call it fried plantain, but it's popularly called dodo in West Africa, e.g. Nigeria. And this is the yam, the one big yam tuber, but I'm not frying all, so it's too much, so I'm gonna be chopping it up and save some in the fridge. I've made a video where how to store your yam in the freezer that will last you for years. So I'll take half of it, then the rest will be stored in the freezer. So keep eye on this process, guys. I'm going to cut the part that I want to use. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the yam. I'm gonna fry from here to here. I like to fry the center of the yam, not the head. The head is good to boil. The yam, man, it's so strong. The funniest part of it is, guys, I have no good sharp knife in this house. You can't believe it. But when I sharpen the knife, it's gonna start cutting my hand. That is another problem I get with sharp knife. Can you see the yam? So that is the 2 yam now. Oh, this yam is very strong. Oh my gosh, very strong yam. So let's peel the yam now. Okay. This yam is too strong. I've never bought yam like this before that is strong. Very strong old yam. I bought it from a Ghana shop, from a Ghana lady shop. So I'll peel the rest like that. Put it here, okay? So I finished peeling now. I'm gonna put the rubbish in here. Take them away, out of the way. Then I start slicing the yam. Okay, guys? So let's start, slicing the yam. Then take it to the sink to go and wash properly. Okay. I like fried yam, but today I fancy to eat fried yam with plantain. Some people cut it round, some people cut it square round. So this is how I cut mine. So I'm gonna be washing my yam now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be washing the yam. Okay, guys, that is my chopped plantain and my yam. So what I normally do, I put spice. I put this one instead of putting salt because I don't eat salt. So this is what I'm gonna be putting, as a substitute of salt. Okay. Okay, I hardly eat salt. I hardly put salt in my food, so I'm gonna incorporate the spices all together. Okay, and start frying it. My oil is hot, so I'm gonna be putting in some onions just to give my yam some flavor. So the yam gonna go in there. So what I do, I put little water inside the oil. The oil is not hot yet. So when the yam is fried, it will be soft, crunchy, crispy. It won't be dry, okay? Don't put water when the oil is very, very hot, otherwise it's gonna go paka, 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 everywhere will be bubbling, okay? Don't try it, but when the oil is like this. So the yam has fried. So I'm gonna bring it out, put here to absorb the oil. So I'm gonna put the last bit now with the plantain. So guys, that is the dodo, the plantain, okay? Let's switch off the fire. That's the dodo and fried yam. It's all ready. It's ready, guys. Look at it. Fried yam and plantain. So I want to make the sauce to eat my fried plantain and my fried yam. So that is the olive oil. Goes in there. Okay, olive oil goes in there. Then that is the sauce I'm using. Chicken breast. I got some stew, but I want to do more. That is my onions, sweet pepper, spring onions, chicken breast, okay? So I'm going to put everything all together. The sweet pepper, the chicken breast, they will all cook all together at the same time. Okay, guys? That is the sauce to eat the yam. I'm going to put just one spices I need, okay? My normal spice, that is my spice. Once I put this, I don't put any other spice, you know, just all depends how I feel. But I'm gonna put in my dry thyme. Dry thyme gonna go in there. Oregano gonna go in there. It's good with chicken. Okay, very good with chicken. So I'm gonna stir. It's cooking, so I'm gonna bang in my tomato sauce in there. I'm gonna put in my fresh thyme. That's my fresh thyme goes in there. Guys, the sauce is ready. I'm gonna sprinkle some coriander leaf on top. I love coriander leaf. I love coriander, guys. So it's ready now. That is my fried yam and my plantain is ready. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That is the fried yam. That is the fried yam and the plantain. Can you see that? This is yummy. Look at it. Look.